you visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
What we will start with Email Studio? Or,
Yeah, sure.
Soumya?
Yeah,
okay.
sure, but we can start with the email.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is a marketing cloud arc, which I am using this for the training purpose. Yeah, in the email studio, maybe already you are aware of all this. Just a briefing about that. Like then we can get into much on this also. Yeah, mainly in the also this is a subscriber. Let me go to the mainly on email. The email studio mainly used for the communication with the user. It can be a transaction email or else it can be a promotion email. So when you're coming to the promotion email, the promotion email are like you assume like there is a one brand, assume it's Amazon. So they are giving the offer on on Republic Day on 26th. So they want to promote that. So these Amazon will comes under the retail. So what they will do, they will store the data who are the previous buyer and the data which already like they are some of them are visiting the websites, some of them looking their product in other Facebook other platform kind of Facebook social media and link like Instagram and in the website also they will gather all those information leads and they will create it in the data extension. They will insert all those data into the data extension. So when they are planning for any campaigns, what they will do, they will look for the particular content in the email. So we have the email content here. Email content can be created on various purpose, means various method. It's like I can show you some of the email content. Maybe you can. Why it is coming here? Content. Yeah. Yeah, this content can be created on various purpose like HTML, text only, and template based. And even we can customize and we can include the AMP script so that the AMP script can be used in the capturing the backend, capturing the record of the user in the backend, so that won't be displayed in the email. Just we'll go through what are the curriculum, what we are going to discuss, and just a brief about the marketing cloud. So as a first session, so the platform is not yet ready, so we'll come up with the next session with the ready and all. Just we'll go with the today, like what are the things I am taking care on each studios, so that it will help you. Like maybe if you want, maybe I can share some of the source like support links for you, that you can also go through that as maybe as a document. Maybe you can also go through that, so it is also help you in that after class maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, just like as you mentioned, I want to go through anything, means just I will just brief about all the studios now. Yeah, yeah, as we going through this email studio, just we have uh, so many email templates we can able to create. If you go through this, it's a email template, HTML even template also pre-saved, and even the content block. Content block also we have some of the most active content block where we can going to use. These content blocks are mainly used over the template because these content blocks are preferred from the marketing cloud. So it will be working on both the mobile and as well as the desktop. Both it will be good, so that most of all time in the newsletter and all, this content plug will be used. Okay, and when you coming to, yeah, these are the subscribers. uh, these are the subscribers. These are the data extension. Data extension is a table in the marketing cloud where you can store. In the all subscriber, all the data will be stored when you perform a email activity. So that time it in the data will be stored in all subscriber with the subscriber key. And when you coming to the interactions, in the interactions we have mainly using this trigger emails, triggered emails. This triggered emails, what it will do, we'll create on cloud page that will be assume that is the unsubscriber cloud page, like a corporate level unsubscriber. So what it will do, when the user click on the particular, when the user unsubscribe from the corporate, so user get has to send one email to them, so that so and so this email as unsubscribed from this company. Okay, for it should be triggered instantly. So for that, this triggered email can be used. And A/B testing. The A/B testing is mainly used when the business want to check whether the email created by them is among the two emails which is going to perform better. It can be click-through rate. Most of all, they will monitor through click-through rate. The people who are gone active there, means the user gone click any links or any, they will go to website, inside that perform some activity. From that they will consider the winner, and they will do the A/B test. Even these trackings, this tracking is used to check the whether email is sent, open, click rate, and this tracking can be exported in the report and also in the data views. This is admin, like already you are like the admin which we can take care in the marketing cloud. uh, yeah, yeah. In the journey builder we have uh, automation studio. Yeah, automation studio is mainly used for the as a ETL tool. Like I want to extract the, I want to get import the data from the external source. So the I assume it's a FTP. I want to extract the data from the FTP. For that, I cannot use the journey. So automation come into the in that automation will come into the picture. So I want, I some of the other, maybe other vendor, or else some of the other team will drop a file, maybe the Facebook lead, other social leads, all those things. We collected the data from the other team, and they will drop a file into the FTP. So we want to capture that and store it in the data extension. So for to transfer, extract, transfer, load, the automation will be used. In the, when you're coming to the automation, we have so many activities inside the automations which can be used in a many ways. Yeah, these are the various activity which is available in the automation. Yeah, when you're coming to like starting source, we have scheduled and file drop. File drop, as I mentioned, it will take the file from the FTP. And the schedule, we can schedule the automation on hourly basis. If you want that into 30 minutes or something, we need to create a multiple same automation twice, and we need to make the difference of 30 minutes, and we need to schedule. That will be comes under some
Mhm.
consideration. Means it's according to business. If there is any no dependency, if all things, all consideration will come into the picture.
So, Vasant, a small
Yeah,
question here. So we are just going through
yeah.
the overview of studios now, and each and every studio will be separate class, right?
Yeah. See, actually, the platform is not ready, right? So I don't want to waste or simply close this session. So just going through this. What are the we will? It's not completed in one or two class. The each session will take some time, and we need to practice inside that also. Yeah, in the automation in
Okay,
the
I just
sense, I
wanted to
cannot.
check.
Uh, yeah. Don't worry, we will go through the each session. It's a kind of hands-on experience. We will take inside. As of now, I'm just going through all the things.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. In this, we have so many activities. These are the like more activities we have. Mostly we used. Where is the data extract? Yeah. This is the mostly used activity SQL and script. Script we used is SSJS, server side JavaScript, and this is the SQL query. In the SQL query, we only use the select statement. We won't use any other update, insert, delete. Only the select statement will be work on this SQL. So if there some of the things are not working by SQL, those things can be taken care by script. So it's a both are required according to the business requirement. If some of the things like I
Okay.
want to delete some record, according to the criteria, I want to delete. There will be millions of records in one data extension. The people who are belongs to Andhra Pradesh and the particular unsubscribed people, I want to delete. So it's difficult to go and delete each. So due to that, we cannot delete in SQL. What we will do, we'll go to the script. We will give the conditions and we'll give the condition. We'll take the data extension. We'll perform the delete activity in the script. So these things
Okay.
can
So,
be taken care.
can we
Yeah,
also do
please.
the data manipulation also in here? Because like if we have so many data where we want to change the pointers or we have to cleanse the data, can you also do that in the script?
Yeah, see, like if yeah means you want to update the data.
Yeah, update, like there would be some bad data sometimes, right? We want to check the conditions
Mhm,
and
mhm,
see
mhm.
and we need to cleanse the data. Like sometimes there would be a pointer data, there would be a decimal data or something, or they would be having different business cases, right? So if we want to clean
Yeah,
up or update the data in here in the script, we can do it, right? Okay.
yeah, yeah. We can give the condition using the case statement, everything in SQL. For deletion part, we can use the script, and even we can use the script also. What is the drawback of the script is when you run the script at a time, it will take only 2.5K record, not more than that. So
Okay.
due to that drawback,
Okay.
what we will do, SQL is a powerful tool and a powerful language. It can go with the millions of record. See, assume you have some bad data for this month. Okay. What you will do, you select all those bad data and transferring into one data extension. Okay, that would be bad record for Jan 2022. Okay, then what you will do using the script, what are the data available in the bad data Jan 22, that record should be deleted in the main data extension. Like that, we'll give the logic using the script and we will try to delete. uh, because of that, we'll use a script and it will be the use cases are n number of use cases. There will be a lot of, maybe while we are going through actual we can discuss, and if you feel any use case we can also discuss all those. Yeah, for these kind of things we will use this SQL and script. And this is the, and these two are main, and even this is the filter activity. This filter activity, what it will do, there would be one data extension. I want to filter this data extension and it should be refreshed on hourly basis. Okay, so due to that we use this filter activity. This will be helpful if we use this, the one of the data extension in a journey. That data extension is as an entry source for one of the journey, so that when you all the times when the data is updated into that data extension, it should be refreshed. So you can use the filter activity, and after that you can use the in the journey, You can use the automation trigger. When the automation got completed, it should get trigger like that of interlink. Then that journey will took the fresh data. That kind of scenarios maybe you can use. In the file transfer, before that file transfer, I'll go to data extract. Yeah, the data extract, what you will do, assume like you want to send a monthly report to the vendor, people who are all activated to their product. Okay, so that time you will extract the data from the one of the data extension, and you will place it in FTP. You want to place it in FTP. From the FTP, is a marketing cloud feature also available. When you place the FTP data from the data name, it will pick and it will send a email. That feature is also available, or else the user will monitor that, or else user will trigger a mail. The mail will trigger to the user. One place the file file came and placed there, so they will pick the file from there. That is the one feature. Okay, in the data extract we have so many activities. It's yeah the, yeah yeah we have so many activities in the data extract. What I said, data extension extract is the one thing. File move and transfer, converting the file, and audit. I want to take what are the um, changes, what are the audit log in that marketing cloud. All those things can be taken care of by this data extract. After data extract, I place the file in Salesforce. So I want to transfer that file into FTP location. For that, we will use the file transfer. This file transfer we will use. Yeah, move to the Salesforce. I will give some name, and then yeah, here a location would be there. I want to place this. Yeah, I will place here. It would be go on when they run the automation. It will go on. Data will be there. Yeah, this is the one. And importing the file. I need to tell this as the first part. Yeah, importing the file. Once data come into the FTP, assume personal account. I'll take one of these. Okay. Yeah. What will happen now when the particular file name will come and placed in a imported FTP location? I want to take and I want to insert. I want to take it into the marketing cloud. So this import activity will work to import all the files which we got, and we can place that destination data extension which I need to uh, store the data. We came into the FTP, and according to the and mapping also we need to do and all. We in detail we will go. No issues on this part. Just I'm going through this one, and mm, filter data, extract data, import file is done. Publish audience. I'll take this later part. Send email. We can send the email through automation also by selecting the particular audience and selecting the email content and email. We can perform the email activity in the automation. Some of them are we won't use the email, sorry, automation, because of some limitations. What it be, we need to select some of the suppression list or some of the people who are unsubscribed, auto suppression list and all. So due to that, some of the things we are not going to use automation. If you are performing ongoing email, then we will go through the journey. If you are performing any so one time, we'll directly take it from the uh, uh, yeah, yeah, here you see the suppression list and exclude the suppression. We'll directly take it from the this single send.
Okay, so it is basically single time send we can have this because currently the suppression list would be changing each and every day, right? It cannot be the same
Yeah,
every day because due
yeah,
to the
yeah,
unsubscribes and everything.
yeah. There would be a suppression. So we didn't much use. If some of the things business requirement is matching this criteria, we will use. Most of all things, the suppression list, continuous email, sending the continuous email, we won't use this. We will use the journey as a one-to-one campaign. For a single send,
Okay.
we will use this. This is the wait
Okay.
activity.
Maybe. Okay.
Yeah. This is the wait activity. So like I want to see, assume like import came. Okay. After the import, some of the things are working. So I want this next step to be wait for some period. So I can give this condition, or else I can where is the other? Yeah, this is the wait, completely wait activity. Where is another condition we can give? Where is that? Verification. What it will do, verification, it will see, assume like there would be a one data extension. I want once the data extension will be filled with 100 count, I want to send an email to those 100 user. For that, this thing will be used, this activity. Send mail, send SMS, send push, group connect, we will discuss that. Mobile filter, import contact, fire event, this is also most used one. Mm, yeah, what it will do, when the particular data will come to there, the event, the automation will be fire, event will be occurred. Due to that, we will use this. Mm, data factor utility, these things we will use, say in the mobile connect, send push, send SMS, send group connect. Yeah, these four we are using less, but we will discuss that also, no issues. When we are coming to the automation completely, like when we are discussing as a main, then we will discuss these steps, and we will try to build the some of the samples, all those things. This is the
Okay.
automation, this is the then. Yeah, don't worry, we will go to the each step and all, we will give manually, we will create and all. This is just a platform, it's
Okay.
not ready, just I'm going through the things. Okay. What are the things
Okay.
I'm going
So,
to discuss when the automation session. Yeah, yeah, please.
yeah. Okay. Please go ahead. Yeah.
No, no, you're telling something, right? Yeah, you take. Means it is
Yes.
loading. I can.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell you what I'm actually looking for. In the end, after the class is done, maybe I can have that discussed. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, in the journey we have three steps, three activities kind of thing. Multi-step journey, single send journey, and transactional send journey. Multi-step journey, like it will come up with multiple steps where you can give the condition and all. Single send, once the data come to the data extension, directly it will send a email, or else directly to the SMS, or else push a notification email, not push the notification. And transactional send, it will occur through the API. We will go to this. Yeah. When you come into the journey, in the journey we have mostly we used data extension, API event, cloud pages, and Salesforce data. These four we most used, means most daily you means all using entry source for the journey, and these are the activities. Like these are the activities which can be taken care. Maybe we can discuss briefly when we are getting to the journey concept with the journey session. And this is the uh, when we are integrated with the sales cloud and service cloud. So this is the one, this is the activity where we can perform and make a changes and update the data in the sales cloud from these activities. Journey, then
Uh, Just a small question
cloud
here.
page.
So while we are using the
Yeah.
journey builder to have this uh, connection established within the Salesforce and Marketing Cloud, so via journey builder, if we are sending some emails to the target audience which we pick from the Salesforce, so what kind of tracking would be available back on Salesforce? Would it be only the clicks and activities, or like what kind of tracking would be available on Salesforce after the journey is done? Hello, Vasant, can you hear me?
Sorry, I was on mute. Tracking would be available in the Salesforce or Marketing Cloud.
I'm talking about the tracking
In the
on the
Salesforce.
Salesforce because yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we can able to track from the Salesforce because the mail activity is carried from the Marketing Cloud, and this tracking is more or less a email send, delivery, open, click, bounced, all those things. Those things can be taken care by Marketing Cloud. I don't think we can
No,
able
it's
to
basically
get it from the.
so when we are when like once the connector is established, I'm talking about the Marketing Cloud connector. Once we have the connector established and we're using the Salesforce data to send out the journeys, we will be having a separate object created on the Salesforce side, right? That the email sends one. So in that we'll be having the tracking information as per my knowledge. So I'm trying to understand what all will be there in the tracking record. It could be some kind of clicks, or it could be what links have been clicked on, all those, right? So I'm trying to understand what kind of tracking would be available on Salesforce, because I'm pretty much sure the tracking is available on the Salesforce. I just wanted to understand what is the extent of tracking that is available on Salesforce.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.